Are you ready to change the way girls see you? Today, you will find out some powerful signs that can make any girl want to chase you. These signs are not random tips. They are arranged from the simplest to the strongest, so you can start using them step by step. Each sign is easy to understand and use, even if you are new to this. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident and sure about how to attract the girl you like. These secrets are not about tricks or fake actions. They focus on real qualities that make you stand out and become someone special. If you want to learn how to become more attractive and make girls notice you without trying too hard, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends who want to improve their love life. Stay with us until the end, because the last signs are the most powerful and can change everything for you. Let's start with the easiest sign and move to the best one that will make you unforgettable. Number 12. The independent spirit. Being independent is one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. When a girl sees that you can take care of yourself and do things on your own, she will respect you more. Independence means you have your own life, your own goals, and you do not depend on others to feel happy or complete. This shows strength and confidence, which naturally draws people in. When you have an independent spirit, you do not need constant attention or approval from others. You enjoy your time alone and with friends, and you work on your dreams without waiting for anyone else. Girls are often attracted to guys who have their own path and are not always following what others say. It shows that you have a mind of your own and can make decisions. This also means you won't be clingy or needy, which many people find unattractive. Being independent also means you are responsible. You manage your money, your time, and your emotions well. When you show these qualities, a girl will feel safe and proud to be with you because she knows you can handle life's challenges. To build your independent spirit, start by setting small goals for yourself. Learn new skills, spend time doing things you enjoy, and make sure you have a life outside of any relationship. This makes you more interesting and gives you stories to share. When a girl sees you living your best life, she will want to be a part of it. Remember, independence is not about ignoring others, but about being strong enough to stand on your own feet. This strength is very attractive and will make any girl want to chase you. Number 11. The subtle touch is a powerful way to connect with someone, but it must be done carefully and respectfully. The subtle touch means using light and gentle contact to show interest without being too forward or aggressive. This can be a soft touch on the arm during a conversation or a brief hand on the shoulder to show support. When done right, subtle touch can create a feeling of closeness and trust. It helps build a connection that words alone cannot create. Many people do not realize how important touch is in attraction. It sends signals to the brain that make a person feel safe and wanted. However, it is important to pay attention to the other person's comfort. If she pulls away or seems uncomfortable, it is best to stop. The key is to be natural and gentle, not forced or rushed. A subtle touch shows that you care and are interested, but you also respect her personal space. You can practice subtle touch by starting with small, casual contacts. For example, when you laugh at something she says, you can lightly touch her arm. When you are walking together, a gentle hand on her back can guide her. These small actions create a bond and make her feel special. Over time, as trust grows, the touch can become more meaningful. This sign is very effective because it shows your feelings in a quiet but powerful way. Girls often notice these little signs more than big words or actions. Number 10. The positive vibe. Having a positive vibe means you bring good energy wherever you go. People are naturally drawn to those who smile, laugh, and see the bright side of life. When you have a positive attitude, you make others feel happy and comfortable around you. This is very attractive because everyone wants to be with someone who lifts their mood and makes life more enjoyable. A positive vibe is not about ignoring problems or pretending everything is perfect. It is about choosing to focus on good things and handling challenges with hope and calmness. When you stay positive, you show strength and maturity. Girls notice this because it means you can support them and be a source of happiness, not stress. To keep a positive vibe, try to smile more and use kind words. Avoid complaining or talking too much about negative things. When you face difficulties, try to find solutions instead of just worrying. Your energy will change the way people see you. You will become someone who brings light into a room, and that is very attractive. Being positive also means being confident in yourself and your future. When you believe good things will happen, others will believe in you too. This creates a strong connection and makes girls want to be near you. A positive vibe is like a magnet that pulls people closer without any effort. Number 9. The eye connection. The eyes are often called the window to the soul. Making eye contact is one of the strongest ways to show interest and build a connection. When you look into a girl's eyes, you show that you are fully focused on her. This makes her feel important and special. Eye contact can express feelings that words cannot, such as trust, care, and attraction. Many people avoid eye contact because they feel shy or nervous. But learning to hold a girl's gaze for a few seconds can create a powerful bond. It shows confidence and honesty. When you look away too quickly, it can seem like you are hiding something or not interested. But steady eye contact tells her you want to know more about her and enjoy being with her. To practice this, start by looking into her eyes when she talks. Try not to stare too long, as this can feel uncomfortable. Instead, hold her gaze for a moment, then look away slowly. You can also smile with your eyes, which means showing warmth and kindness. This makes the connection even stronger. Eye contact also helps you read her feelings. By watching her eyes, you can tell if she is happy, shy, or nervous. This helps you respond better and make her feel more comfortable. The eye connection is a simple but very powerful sign that shows you care and want to be close. Number 8. The thoughtful surprise. Surprises are a great way to show someone you are thinking about them. A thoughtful surprise does not have to be big or expensive. It can be a small gift, a kind message, or doing something special that she likes. The key is to show that you pay attention to what she enjoys and want to make her happy. Girls appreciate when a guy remembers little details about them. It shows that you listen and care. For example, if she mentions her favorite snack or a movie she wants to see, surprising her with those things will make her feel valued. Thoughtful surprises create happy moments that build strong feelings. Planning a surprise takes effort and shows your interest. It means you are willing to go out of your way to make her smile. This makes you stand out from others who may only say nice things but do not act on them. Surprises also bring excitement and fun to the relationship. They break the routine and create memories that last. If you want to use this sign, start by paying close attention to what she says and does. Notice her likes, dislikes, and dreams. Then think of small ways to show you care. It could be as simple as sending a good morning text or bringing her favorite drink. These little actions speak louder than words and make any girl want to chase you. Number 7. The playful tease. Playful teasing is a fun way to create chemistry and show interest. It means joking with her in a light and friendly way without being mean or hurtful. When done right, teasing can make conversations more exciting and help you both relax. It shows that you enjoy her company and are comfortable being yourself. Teasing is a way to build a special bond. It creates inside jokes and shared laughter, which are important for any relationship. Girls often like guys who can make them laugh and not take everything too seriously. Playful teasing also shows confidence because you are not afraid to be a little silly or different. It is important to keep teasing positive and respectful. Avoid making fun of things she is sensitive about. Instead, focus on small, harmless things like a funny habit or a silly mistake. When she teases you back, it means she feels close to you and trusts you. Number 6. The calm coolness. Staying calm and cool in different situations is a sign of strength and confidence. When you do not get angry or stressed easily, people feel safe around you. Girls notice this because it means you can handle problems without losing control. Calm coolness shows that you are mature and can think clearly even when things get tough. Being calm does not mean you do not care. It means you choose to respond with patience and understanding. This helps you solve problems better and avoid unnecessary fights. When a girl sees that you can stay calm, she will trust you more and feel comfortable sharing her feelings. Number 5. The unexpected compliment. Giving a compliment is a simple way to show appreciation. But an unexpected compliment is even more powerful. It means saying something nice that she does not expect, which catches her attention and makes her smile. This kind of compliment shows that you notice things others might miss. Girls often hear the same compliments about their looks. When you say something different, like praising her kindness, intelligence, or sense of humor, it feels more genuine. Unexpected compliments show that you see her as a whole person, not just for her appearance. To give a good compliment, be honest and specific. Instead of saying, "You look nice," try, "Your smile makes the room brighter," or "I like how you always help others." These words feel special and show that you pay attention. Number 4. The listening power. Listening is one of the most important skills in any relationship. When you truly listen, you show that you care about what she says and who she is. Many people hear words but do not really listen. The listening power means paying full attention, understanding her feelings, and responding with kindness. Girls feel special when someone listens to them without interrupting or judging. It builds trust and makes conversations deeper. When you listen well, you learn more about her dreams, fears, and personality. This helps you connect on a stronger level. To practice listening power, focus on the speaker without thinking about what to say next. Use your eyes and body language to show you are interested. Nod, smile, and ask questions that show you want to know more. Avoid distractions like phones or looking around. Number 3. The genuine smile. A genuine smile is a sign of warmth and kindness. When you smile with your eyes and mouth, it shows that you are happy and friendly. This kind of smile makes people feel welcome and comfortable. Girls are naturally attracted to someone who smiles genuinely because it means you are open and honest. Fake smiles are easy to spot and can make people feel unsure. A real smile comes from the heart and lights up your face. It shows that you enjoy the moment and want to share that joy with others. Smiling also releases good chemicals in your brain, making you feel happier and more confident. Number 2. The mystery magnet. Being a mystery magnet means you do not reveal everything about yourself at once. You keep some things private and let her discover more over time. This creates curiosity and makes her want to know you better. Mystery is exciting because it adds a sense of adventure and surprise. Girls are often drawn to guys who have interesting stories but do not share everything immediately. When you keep some things to yourself, it shows confidence and self-control. It also makes conversations more fun because there is always something new to learn. Number 1. The confidence spark. Confidence is the number 1 sign that makes any girl chase you. It means believing in yourself and your worth without being arrogant. When you have confidence, you show that you are comfortable in your own skin and ready to face life's challenges. This is very attractive because it makes others feel safe and inspired. Confidence also means being honest and true to your feelings. When you like a girl, show it without fear. Do not pretend to be someone else or hide your feelings. Genuine confidence attracts girls because it shows you are real and trustworthy. The confidence spark is the most powerful sign because it affects every part of your life. When you believe in yourself, others will believe in you too. This makes you irresistible and makes any girl want to chase you. Now you know the signs that can change how girls see you. Use them one by one and watch things change fast. The last sign is the strongest, so don't miss it. Subscribe, like, and share to keep learning more ways to improve yourself and your love life.